Welcome to the One Step Wealthier podcast, where I help you to get a little bit better every day and to achieve your financial goals. Follow along with me, and every week we will talk about all things personal development and personal finance. Together, we can get one step wealthier. In this week's episode, I wanted to talk about a topic that might seem too good to be true. Making money while you sleep. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine waking up in the morning with more money in your bank account when you went to bed. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? This is a concept known as passive income. Passive income is money that comes in on a regular basis with little or no effort on your part. It's like setting up a money-making machine that works for you even when you sleep. My own personal hero, Warren Buffett, of course, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." And that's so true. We only have limited hours to work in a day and limited energy to put into work. And therefore, we have to find a way to invest into passive assets that make money for us while we are sleeping. I came up with a concept called the WS number, which stands for while you sleep number. I constantly ask myself, how much money would I make if I just slept all day? This is to motivate myself towards my financial independence journey. I often work out how much money I make per month, per day, or even per hour without putting any additional work in, or while I sleep. That helps me to stay on track and keep motivated towards achieving my financial goals. Obviously, I wouldn't just sleep all day, but you get my point. So how can you make passive income and generate your own while you sleep money? Here are just some ideas for passive income. One popular way to generate passive income is through investing in growth stocks and stocks that pay dividends. This allows your money to grow while you sleep. Another idea is to create content. It could be writing books, starting a podcast, making videos, or building websites. Creating content can bring in continuous income. I personally translated some books in 2020, and they still bring in passive income to this day. Now, did you know that pet sitting or house sitting can be a source of passive income? It is a way to earn money without putting in much additional effort. I recently house sat for over 2 weeks, and I consider that a passive income stream because it required minimal effort on my part and I was generating income while I was literally sleeping there. Renting out a spare room is another great way to make money while you sleep. It is a simple way to generate extra income without much extra work. These are just a few examples of ways to make money while you sleep, but the possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to find a passive income stream that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Remember, the key to financial independence is finding ways to generate income even while you sleep. Also, it is worth mentioning that building passive income takes time and effort at the beginning, but the rewards are endless in the long run. I hope that my reflections have motivated you to start investing. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday and the second best is today. And please note that this is not individual financial advice. I do not know your personal situation, so speak to your financial advisor regarding your individual financial needs. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future episodes, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram or my email found in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, rate, and share this podcast with your friends and family. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of the One Step Wealthier podcast. I will speak to you soon. You have just invested in your personal development by listening to this podcast. Thank you for being here and helping yourself to become one step wealthier. Don't forget to subscribe to access new content every week and to better yourself. Stay wealthy, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.